How to create a reorder list on your Amazon shopping. Welcome guys, I will show you how to do that right now. Let's do it. So first just open your Amazon shopping like this, and when it will open you just have to go here to your profile and click. So after this you will see this list right now. Go and click create a list and click create a list again here, and choose reorder list and click create a list. You have to choose the name if you want. Here edit item in list, keyword, ACN, everything, Amazon URL, and your keyword quantity. Click search item, and then you will create your reorder list. That's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.